Hello everybody, my name is Suhir. I'm English teacher. Our lesson today is about future. You will know in this lesson everything about the future and how to make correct sentences in the future. We will use in our lesson will or shall and going to and present continuous. We will know everything about them. It is very important to know when to use will or shall, when to use going to and present continuous. We use will or shall for an instant or sudden decision. Example, I am tired, I will go home. And we use going to or present continuous tense for a planned or arranged activity or intention. Example, he is going to go to the cinema next Friday means he already decided to go. He already planned to go to the cinema next Friday. We are not traveling this day means it's already planned and already decided to stay here this year. Fine. Sorry. If you saw my previous videos, you know that in English we have three kinds of sentences. We have the positive or affirmative form, we have negative form and interrogative form. For that we will see the rule how to make correct future with each of these forms. If we speak about will or shall means sudden decision and we want to make a positive sentence, we will put subject, then will or shall, plus verb, the main verb in infinitive, then the object. Example for that, I am hungry, I will eat something. If you want to say a negative form, you put subject, plus will or shall, plus not because it's negative, plus your main verb in infinitive, keep always the verb in infinitive, plus object. Example, he is tired, he will not come to the party. Fine, now if you want to ask a question, you will use interrogative form, you will put will or shall first, then subject, then your main verb, then your object. Example, this shirt is nice. Will you buy it? It's very important to know that shall isn't used for with all the pronouns. It's used only with I or we. You cannot say he shall or she shall, you shall, it shall, they shall. You have to say only shall only with I or we. I shall or I will, we shall or we will. Fine, this is the rule for when you want to use will or shall in your sentence for the future. Now, if you want to make future with going to, if it's positive form, you have to put subject plus verb to be in present simple, is or are, depends on your subject, plus going to, plus your main verb in infinitive, plus object. It's very important to keep the verb in infinitive. Example, I am going to go to Algeria next month. Negative form, it will be subject, verb to be in present simple, plus not, plus going to, plus verb in infinitive, your main verb, plus object. Example, she is not going to come to my birthday party. If you want to ask a question, it will be verb to be first in present simple, plus your subject, plus going to, plus verb in infinitive, plus object. Example, are you going to go to travel this year? Fine, these are the rules for going to in three forms of the sentences in the future. Now, if we want to make future with present continuous tense, The present continuous tense is always made with verb to be in present simple plus your main verb, and you have to add ing to the verb. Fine. If we want to make positive form, we will put subject first, then verb to be in present simple, am, is or are, plus your main verb and add ing plus your object. Example, he is participating in the competition. Negative form, subject plus verb to be in present simple plus not plus verb, add ing to the verb, the main verb, add ing to it, plus object. Example, we are not traveling next month. If you want to ask a question, you have to put verb to be first in present simple, plus subject, plus main verb, add ing, plus object. Example, are you playing football next weekend? Fine. This is the rule. Now you know the 3 rules of the future. You know how to make future with will or shall if it is instant decision or sudden decision, and you know now how to make correct future by using going to or present continuous tense. The future tense is very easy. It's not complicated at all. Just put correct form. If it's sudden, always use will or shall. If it's planned decision, put present continuous tense or use present continuous tense or going to. This was our lesson. It's very easy and very short. I hope everything is okay with you, and if you have any question, please write in comments. Thank you very much for listening and watching my video, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.